Double like gang, this shit really get deadly. We don't want really be steady. I run the gang in the trap, beat the shit like the Rebbe. You run up, you get hit the heavy. Gotta thank God for sending me out of these blessings. Remember them days I was stressed. Now I get paid just to show my reflection. Infliction, plus them send them quick like a mess. Trapping was really my blessing. I knew how to.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Young Draco, and I'm back with another video. I'm finna teach you guys today how to make thumbnails. How do I make my thumbnails? How do I make my perfect, beautiful looking thumbnails? I'm finna teach y'all niggas how to make them. So first, you wanna download PicsArt. You can find PicsArt in the App Store, the Play Store, wherever you get your games and stuff from. That's where you can find PicsArt. Then you wanna take a picture of what you want the video to be about. My topic I would pick is how to make money, so I'm gonna take a picture with the money that I made. Okay, so once you take the picture, you wanna go to PicsArt. Click the photo you just took, then go to effects. There are many different effects you can use, but I usually use the HDR effect. Once you choose the effect, you could add a text bubble, or you can even add text and add design with the text with different effects like shadow and color and stroke. If you want to move the text or space it out, you can do that as well. Now, if you want to have a background or a logo added to your thumbnail, take the background picture or get it from Google. Go to PicsArt and add the background. Now, I usually add blur to my background or the same HDR effect. Then you can crop yourself onto the thumbnail and add text and all other types of things that you would like. Using the cutout tool is how I will crop myself out, and I will push person to crop myself out. Subscribe.